In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google AdSense email address. First, go to Google AdSense and log into your account. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Settings. You'll see two options, Account Information and Personal Settings. Select Personal Settings. In Personal Settings, you'll find your login email at the top. You can't change your login email for Google AdSense directly. What you can change directly is your contact email. As you can see, I've already set another email as my contact email, but if yours is the same as your login email, choose Use a different email option, then enter the email. After that, you'll receive a verification email in the inbox of the email you entered. Verify it. Once the new email is verified, you can remove the old email if needed. Your AdSense notifications and access will now use the new email address. And that's it. That's how you change your Google AdSense email address. Thanks for watching.